How to Hacker Password Cracking by Raihan Biswas. By Raihan Biswas. Today we are going to share the list of hackers using various techniques to hack your password in 2018. These techniques are mostly used by hackers, who are poor intent hackers nowadays have developed well-developed algorithms. Those who are building, can speed up the processes to find your password codes. So if you are one of those who thought that putting a hard password is a safe way to stay away from hackers, then this article is for you. Cybersecurity is advised to insert a good and long password. However, cybersecurity does not teach us how to recognize hacker hacking in your computer. It does not matter how strong you are creating a password, there is always an option to hack your password. Hackers are building a well-developed algorithm nowadays, which can speed up processes to find your password codes. So if you are one of those who thought that putting a hard password is a safe way to stay away from hackers, then this article is for you. Today we will discuss some password cracking techniques used to hack into our account. Number 1. Dictionary attack. A dictionary attack is a technique that is used regularly by many hackers so that a passphrase can be determined using its luck at times. Unlike its name, it works like a dictionary. It's just a simple file that contains some unusual words that many people use as their passwords. To hack into someone's account there are easy ways. But by putting a hard password you can beat this attack. Number 2. Brute force attack. The main purpose of the brute force attack is to crack the password. It will try its level best and will try every possible combination until you get the password. But nowadays, people are very smart, so the attack on the brute force is increasingly difficult due to the growing size of the password, so it is difficult to dismiss any password. It's similar to a dictionary attack. It's something like the advanced version of the dictionary attack. Number 3. Phishing. Phishing is the easiest way to hack the hacker. It's nothing, it only asks users for their password, but the process of asking for a password is unique and different. Hackers use fake pages, fake emails, fake apps, etc. It only asks you to log in with your ID and password. Once you enter the details, your details will be transferred to the hacker server. Number 4. Trojans, viruses, and other malware. These programs are usually developed by hackers for the sole purpose of generating targeted destruction. Viruses and worms are usually added to a user's system so that they can fully use any machine or network and are usually spread by email or it is hidden in any application. Number 5. Rainbow table attack. A rainbow table is usually a large dictionary that contains loads and passwords of pre-calculated hash from which they were calculated. The main difference between a rainbow and other dictionary attacks is the rainbow table specially optimized for hash and password. Number 6. Offline cracking. Mostly password hacking is offline. Usually, data is received from a compromised system. Includes dictionary attacks and rainbow table attacks. In attacks of offline passwords a hacker can test the validity of password attempts. Number 7. Social engineering. Social engineering is an attack that relies heavily on human contact and is often tricking people into breaking general security procedures. Hackers can try different tricks to break into normal security procedures. Number 8. Guessing. Here hackers can try to guess your password. They can try to guess your security answer too. In short, hackers can try to guess everything to break your security and hook your account. However, thanks to the 2 steps and the login code, these types of techniques are usually a failure nowadays. Number 9. Cracking security questions. Okay, we all have now established a security question on our social networking platform. Security questions are useful when you cannot remember a password. Then you click on Forgot Password and you will have to answer the security question to reset your password. However, hackers also try to guess security questions. Okay. We should always remember the fact that the answer to the security question is something that is easy to remember and has a personal meaning for you. Therefore, if the hacker is your friend or relative, then he can easily guess the security answer. Number 10. Port scan attack. This is a technique that is often used to find vulnerabilities on a given server. It is usually used by those who are responsible for security in order to find vulnerabilities in the system. Invite the port scan attack to send a message to a port and wait for a response and hack data from the open port to your server.